Kasi by, no oras na ba? It's currently 9:40 a.m. and by 10:30 kailangan ko na pumunta sa dentist. Kasi yung rubber ko guys, hindi pa ako nakapag-change rubber for a month na. Kasi super hectic ng schedule ko and all. Because of internship. Parang 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. nasa office ako. Actually, 8 a.m. ang call time namin. But then, super traffic. So, kailangan ko talagang mag-early. So, basically, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Ngayon, hindi ako free. And, ang clinic ng dentist is open lang ng 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. I guess, or 4 p.m. So, more likely, mga 4 p.m. nagka-cut off na sila. Hindi naman ako pwedeng dumating doon ng 5 p.m. kasi super traffic and ang hirap sumakay ng jeep. But now, free ako ngayong Saturday. Wala akong meet up, wala akong duty, and anything else. So, kailangan ko talagang pumunta dito. 10:30. By 10:30, kailangan nandun na ako. And na-plan ko na pala guys kung anong color yung rubber na ipapalagay ko ngayon. Kasi dati, saka lang ako nagde-decide kapag nandun na ako. Super elegant to tingnan. So, let's see. Yes, metallic gray. But as of the moment, let's do our skincare muna and have some milk oats.
I'm currently using this skincare kit that I got from TikTok. It's called Bailing May. I'm not sure if I pronounce it right, but yeah, it's my first time using a product that I'm not familiar with. But I checked the reviews naman of this product and it's looking good. By the way, the packaging is very giving a minimalist vibe. It's so clean and it looks so nice. In this kit, guys, you basically have everything na. So, you have the cleanser, toner. It actually has 3 different bottles of serum, eye cream, moisturizer, and sunscreen. So, I bought this one kasi kompleto na and I've been eyeing on this product for so long. And fortunately, okay naman siya sa skin ko. Para akong nag-undergo ng skincare session sa clinic, I swear. Now, here's my 5th attempt doing the voiceover of this part of the video kasi ang daming word na guys doon sa previous ko na mga takes. So, I really had to do it again.
Anyway, going back,
as I mentioned earlier, there are 3 different bottles of serum. Isa lang yung ginamit ko guys para syempre hindi agad maubos, diba? But those 3 bottles guys, meron siya iba-ibang purpose and function. And for tightening yung napili kong bottle. And then, nilagay ko na rin yung sunscreen. I think sunscreen yung mahaba yung nakalagay sa mahaba na. Then this one, I think this one is moisturizer. So, ngayon ko lang na-realize, baliktad pala. Dapat, diba, mauna yung moisturizer before applying the sunscreen. So, please bear with me na lang. Kasi, guys, minsan hindi ko talaga alam yung ginagawa ko eh. And then, yeah, babawi na lang ako next time, guys. I will do a proper skincare for you. Wow! But, as you can see, grabe yung difference, diba, ng face ko dun sa first appearance ko dito sa video na to. Super dry ng face ko. But then, look at me now. Wow! Super fresh and very clean ang look ng ate girl mo. Kidding aside, guys, malaki naman talaga yung difference and very evident naman yun. Nakikita niyo naman kung gaano ko gawin yung face ko dyan compared doon sa first appearance ko sa video na to. Diba? Super fresh.
Since mag-10:30 na din naman, later na lang ako mag-eat. And then, ngayon, pupunta na lang ako ngayon sa dentist and bibili ako ng cat sand kasi wala nang cat glitter seafood. I'll go ahead now.
Syempre, bago ko umalis, say hi muna to my baby. His name is Fua. It's been a while. Super laki niya na ngayon, guys. Matagal na tong video na to. And ngayon, nagbibinata na talaga siya. Mabilis lang ako nakarating, guys, kasi nasa kanto lang namin yung clinic.
Grabe, super init sa labas. Kaka-uwi ko lang and bumili ako ng ito. Bumili ako ng cat set for Fuma kasi ubos na and kaka-clean ko lang din nung cat litter niya. Also, I also bought high fiber na wheat raisin. And then, siguro, if I have the time, nagawa ko ng tuna pasta. Tapos, yan lang. At saka, bumili na rin ako ng pansit kasi gutom na talaga ako. Carbs pa rin. Pansit and then, water.